Visiting Japan and want to use your Suica card seamlessly with your iPhone. Adding your Suica to Apple Wallet makes transit and payments incredibly convenient. In this guide, I'll show you how to add your Suica card to iPhone. To add your Suica card to iPhone, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Select Transit Card, and then choose Suica from the list of available cards. You'll have the option to either transfer an existing physical Suica card with its balance to your iPhone or create a new digital Suica card and add funds directly. If transferring, you'll place your physical Suica card on the top of your iPhone to initiate the transfer. Finally, confirm the details and any terms. Once successfully added, your Suica will be available in Apple Wallet for tap to pay at transit gates, vending machines, and stores where Suica is accepted, even if your phone's battery dies. Power reserve feature. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.